Extreme northern Madison County, so just to the north of Hazel Green, seeing a little bit of light to moderate rainfall. Also seeing some rainfall in Lincoln County, just to the east of Belleville. A lot of lightning within this particular cell, but it is just a good old thunderstorm. Heading to the south, seeing a little bit of rain just to the east of Arab, probably going to be making its way across Guntersville Lake within the next, I'd probably say 30 minutes or so. And then of course in DeKalb County, we're tracking some thunderstorms actually right around Mountain Borough, seeing a little bit of lightning embedded within that particular cell as well. And of course, we are also seeing some rainfall just to the north of Galesville. So we're going to continue to track these scattered showers and thunderstorms on the radar heading into the rest of this afternoon. We've got that stationary front that's really just keeping things quite impactful here across the Tennessee Valley throughout the rest of the afternoon. Now we'll continue to sit under a cloud cover for a good majority of today, but eventually going to be seeing a few peaks of sunshine here and there. 84 right now in Florence, 1 degree shy of 90 in Pulaski. We're sitting at 88 here in Huntsville, 86 down in Coleman. Fort Payne also sitting at 86, mid 80s in Scottsboro. The dew points though is what's keeping it so muggy outside. We're seeing dew points in the low 70s for the most part, but we do have mid and upper 70s in some locations, especially southern middle Tennessee. So it's extremely muggy up in southern middle Tennessee, and that's also going to rise our peak heat index values heading into the next couple of days. We'll be seeing feels like temperatures in the lower 100s at least through the middle of next week. Now, winds aren't expected to be an issue today, and they're not expected to be an issue in any thunderstorm that develops this afternoon, so we're not really expecting wind damage, anything like that. It's really just going to be rain and potentially a little bit of lightning. Temperatures eventually going to warm into the low 90s for the most part all across the Tennessee Valley, and those rain chances will gradually start to increase heading into about 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock this afternoon. We'll continue to see scattered rain heading into about the 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock hour later this afternoon, and then it looks like we'll start a little bit of a drying out process heading into tonight and into early Saturday morning. But heading into Saturday afternoon, once again, we are expected to see another round of isolated showers and potentially a few thunderstorms. Heading into the overnight tonight, low 70s, a little bit of patchy fog could develop throughout the overnight in some locations. So if you do have to be out and about early Saturday morning, just be mindful of that if you do see any fog. Heading into the mid 90s for the afternoon tomorrow, partly sunshine, and temperatures going to continue to climb. We're expected to be in the upper 90s heading into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. And then temperatures look to have a little bit of a cool down by this time next week. We'll be sitting in the upper 80s. You're not really going to notice the difference in the temperatures, though. It is still going to be pretty hot out there because we do have the higher moisture content. So heading into the next couple days, rain chances really going to remain pretty limited. A 10% chance of rain for this weekend, 10% chance heading into Monday and Tuesday of next week. Then we have about a 30 to 40% chance heading into Wednesday and Thursday. And by about this time next week, rain chances going to start to decrease as well. Now, Erin has made its way into a hurricane status, looking at a Category 1 hurricane right now. We've got maximum sustained winds right around 75 miles per hour. But notice, heading into Sunday afternoon is when Erin is expected to reach Category 4 hurricane. So we're talking about a major hurricane because major hurricane status is Category 3 and above. So this looks like it could potentially become our first major named hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season. Now, we're not expecting this to make direct impacts to us here in the United States. If it does anything at all, it might bring a little bit of rainfall to the eastern coastline, but other than that, this particular hurricane is just expected to stay out in the Atlantic Ocean. So your 7-day forecast, it's a warm and low 90s for this afternoon. We'll be seeing sunshine heading into the weekend, about a 10% chance for rain. So if you're looking for rain, don't really look for it too hard because majority of us going to be staying dry. That's going to be the case heading into Monday and Tuesday of next week as well. Those temperatures, though, going to continue to climb upper 90s for Monday and Tuesday, but we will see a little bit of a drop off in temperatures heading into Wednesday and next Thursday. And those 2 days are also going to be the next best opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms here across the Tennessee Valley.